up everybody? Today we're going to give you guys a little intro video into Krebsbach racing. We're going to go through the project cars, show you what you guys can see on this channel. First off, let's start with some cars. This is my BMW 128i. This is kind of the daily fun car. Done quite a bit of modifications to it so far. We're going to do a build video on that one. That'll be the next video you guys will see on this channel. Next up we have a BMW 135i. This is the twin turbo version. We're going to turn this into a drift car. It's got huge fenders on it. They're actually from an FRS, I believe. It's got some wide wheels. Stock turbos. Should make about 400 wheel horsepower, plenty to drift around a small drift track right outside that we have here. The car that most everybody knows is the 2006 Evo 9. Competed in time attack and autocross for the last 5 or 6 years. Had a lot of success, been a lot of fun, and a lot of man hours went into this car. I'll show you guys a little shop area. This is my loft that I built a few years ago, and I have storage of a bunch of parts up on top. Toolbox, and this is the arts and crafts area in here. I do my own carbon fiber. I have a table here. It's a 4x8 sheet of tempered glass. I built a few splitters on here. This was the last one I did. It's about 2 years old now, but molded in some custom diffusers from Professional Awesome. We'll also do a how-to video on that. This is all the carbon fiber stuff, epoxies, glue, all kinds of stuff, vacuum pump, and a bunch of supplies underneath. Next area is new to me. Just got a new welder. This is a ESAB 205 IC AC/DC, so it'll do MIG and TIG aluminum. Just have it set up for MIG right now, but just getting my feet wet with welding. It's going okay. As far as the rest of the shop goes, kind of the spare parts areas. I have the Evo shelf over here. This is a bunch of spares. Drive shaft, bunch of hoses and that kind of stuff. Brake clean area, fluids, oils, all that stuff over here. And then we have BMW corner, a bunch of spare parts from the 128i that we just did. A bunch of other random parts. So what can you guys expect to see? We're going to do some how-to videos, definitely some how not to do videos, how to screw up carbon fiber a little bit. We'll do some driving videos. We'll show you kind of the projects that I'm working on, and we'll do a multiple part series of the Evo here. We'll go through the electrical system, we'll go through the aerodynamics. Lots of stuff to talk about on that car. I'm probably 5 years behind on all of my YouTube content, so we're going to try to catch you guys up on everything we've been doing over the last 5-6 years. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.